Welcome to Yaxun, a company that has been providing high-quality repairing tools for more than 20 years. Our business operates in over 90 countries, enjoying a good international reputation. We strive to provide the best products and services to our customers with the slogan of integrity-based, quality first. As soon as you step through the door, you'll find yourself in the main store of our company. Right in front of you are the repair machines, including microscopes, hot air guns, SMD workstations, DC power supplies, LCD disassembly machines, digital multimeters, and ultrasonic cleaners. Walking towards the right side, you'll discover the wide range of repair tools we offer, such as tweezers, screwdrivers, and repair holders. Additionally, you'll find a range of other supplementary tools on display. All of our machines and tools are internationally certified and patented, ensuring the highest level of quality and performance. Just a few steps away from the store, there's a staircase that takes us straight to our office. As you enter our office, you'll be greeted by a welcoming lounge area where you can take a moment to relax and browse through our catalog on TV. We also offer complimentary drinks and snacks for enjoyment. Next to the lounge is our spacious main office area, where we strive to provide our customers with an exceptional business experience. Again, we offer drinks and snacks for convenience. Our experts are also available to assist you with testing out our machines and tools if needed. Inside the main office area, you'll find the manager's office. This is a private space where you can have one-on-one conversation with our manager in an undisturbed environment. That's the mini tour of Yaxun. If you would like to learn more or get in touch with us directly, please refer to the contact information and website down below.